notice. Like,
yes, you can notice it and not even be around. Say hey to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
Oh my god, it's so freaking hot. You know what I want to do? I want to take all of the girls to the place I went for my birthday, the rooftop.
The RHS, yes. I wanted to go there for my birthday, but I decided not to. But seeing your pictures,
I'm not ever doing that again until I'm engaged. Yeah, my brother told me don't do that. I'm myself. I should still be able to take a date. Yeah, exactly. It's always like that.
you see how much money I spent on you, girl?
Cool. Oh yeah.
And you think I don't like you?
For real, you don't do that. You don't. And when it comes to money, you only spend on people you like.
I don't play about my money. That's one thing.
Yeah, because everybody know you always at work.
I won't be surprised to find out with another Haitian.
Yeah, and I feel like when you're younger, you don't want to even try yet. But I feel like if you were like 25, you'd be like, you know what? Because you've already had a lot of failures, like, you know, there are good men and they don't have to be black. I mean, it's okay. It's not horrible. We are getting Auntie Annie's. You know the vibes. Always have to get that when you come to the Wellington Mall because you can smell it as soon as you pull up in your car.
Do you want some?
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, Glaze. You want Glaze?
Yeah, just Glaze.
Just Glaze. Glaze? You want soda?
Soda?
Lemonade.
I'll do a lemonade. I don't do soda.
You have strawberry, raspberry, regular?
Let me try strawberry.
I'll do the red one.
Strawberry lemonade. So we are shopping for her sister. Her sister is Cece. Y'all see Cece on my story all the time. So Cece's birthday is this weekend and we just are buying her some gifts. By the time she sees this vlog, her birthday would pass already. So I found her a bag. She found her some jewelry from Pandora. We're gonna go to another mall after this, and then I'm just gonna hang out and do girl stuff, talk about girl stuff. It's my last week before summer vacation's over, so I'm just doing things around. Thank you. So yummy. I cannot wait to bust this thing down. We got to leave the mall because I mean we already went to every store that would possibly have something for her. So we're gonna go and go to another store.
He said wait until I could chill and he really think I'ma get back to him.
We didn't mind being outside because it was cool but hot. But we were never complaining that it's too hot. That's why we loved being outside when we were kids. These kids don't want to go outside because they're about to do nice. Oh my god, those are so cute. I was gonna start getting into Kate Spade too because it's very very much similar to Tory Burch, but I feel like it's like a little bit next. Well, they're like equal at that point. I really want to go to Hobby Lobby, but I can't. It's just too much. Too much walking around. I can only walk around for so long.
I like to take my time and shop.
Yeah, I'm not in the mood. Let me know when you're home, Hannah. What time is it?
3:50.
I'll be home by 4:30. Oh my God. Oh, it's so freaking hot. As it's me. Take him to his favorite place.